Today at ONsalus Health, we explain how you can use calorie counting to lose weight safely and easily. Weight loss is a common ambition for many of us, with counting calories an effective tool to achieve our goals. By understanding the amount of energy you consume daily, you can make informed decisions about your food intake and create a caloric deficit, key to losing weight sustainably. To do this, you must understand calories. Calories are units of energy that come from the foods and drinks we consume. Our body uses these calories to perform basic functions such as breathing and digesting food, as well as for physical activities. Excess calories are stored as fat. Calculate your calorie needs. Determining your daily caloric intake is essential. You can calculate your basal needs by using formulas like the Harris-Benedict equation, taking into account your age, weight, height, and physical activity. Set weight loss goals. Defining realistic goals is crucial. A daily calorie deficit of 500 to 1000 calories usually leads to gradual and healthy weight loss at a rate of about 0.5 to 1 kilogram per week. Use applications and other tools. There are numerous apps and online tools that make tracking calories easy. These applications allow you to record foods consumed, providing nutritional information and calculating the total calories ingested. If you want to learn how to discover low-calorie dinner ideas, we share a video above on the oatmeal diet. Read nutrition labels. Familiarise yourself with nutritional labels on foods. These provide information on calories per serving and other essential nutrients. Pay special attention to the recommended portions. Portion control. The amount of food you eat is as important as the type of food. Use measuring cups, kitchen scales, or visualize common portions to avoid overdoing it. Register everything you consume. Keep detailed records of all food and drink, including snacks. This will help you be aware of your caloric intake and identify possible areas for improvement. Vary your diet. A balanced diet is essential for health. Be sure to include a variety of nutrient-dense foods to ensure you get all your essential nutrients. If this video is helping to answer your concerns, consider providing a super thanks to help our channel grow. Adjust based on results. Observe how your body responds to the calorie deficit. If weight loss is very rapid or slow, adjust your caloric intake as necessary. Consult with health professionals. Before making significant changes to your diet, it's advisable to consult a health professional such as a nutritionist or doctor for personalized guidance. Counting calories can be an effective strategy for losing weight when done in a conscious and balanced way. Combine this with regular physical activity and healthy habits to achieve sustainable results and improve your overall well-being. Remember that successful weight loss involves patience and consistency over time. And that's it for this ONsalus Health video on how to count calories. If you want to continue learning about healthy diets and foods, don't miss the playlist we share here. Share any other queries about weight loss you may have by leaving a comment, and we'll see you next time.